Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a jailhouse burrito. This resourceful meal is a testament to creativity with limited ingredients. We'll cover everything from gathering your components to the final delicious wrap. It's a surprisingly satisfying dish that's easy to prepare, even with minimal cooking tools. Let's dive into the basics and get started on this unique culinary adventure. Now, let's get to the assembly. First, crush 1 package of instant noodles and a small bag of chips into fine pieces. You want a texture that can easily mix. Next, carefully add just enough hot water to create a thick, pliable paste. Stir it well to ensure everything is evenly combined. Finally, incorporate your protein, like a processed meat stick or some cheese, into this base. Once your mixture is ready, it's time to form the burrito. Spread the entire mixture evenly onto a large tortilla or a flattened slice of bread. Make sure to leave a small border. Then, carefully roll the tortilla tightly, tucking in the sides as you go to create a compact and secure burrito. If you have access to a microwave or a warm surface, a quick, gentle warming can enhance the flavors. Here are some tips and variations to elevate your jailhouse burrito. Don't be afraid to experiment with different chip flavors and instant noodle varieties to find your favorite combination. Adding crushed crackers or dried vegetables can also introduce interesting textures. Remember, creativity is key with this dish. For more great deals and to check out the new Kindle Paperwhite, be sure to look for the link in the description below. Thanks for watching and enjoy your unique creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.